Let's start with the question. How to solve the puzzle in the sunken ship. Spoiler warning, this is a puzzle late in the game and I'll discuss the mechanics of the puzzle here. I'm stuck on one puzzle in the Witness. In the sunken ship, I am confused about how to handle the multiple different color, size hexagons. Usually different size hexagons represent different pitches of background sound effects. Large equals low. Medium equals mid. Small equals high. I can't recall ever encountering different color hexagons that are also different sizes. When I listen to the sounds in the background, I frequently hear water drop-like sound which repeats low high mid over and over. There is also a sound kind of like a harp strumming. That's the best description I can come up with, which has a very fast high mid low pattern. And there is a low horn sound which seems to just have one pitch but die off in volume. I had thought each color would represent one sound, but no color has all three pitches. I've tried every variation I can think of to solve LHM or HML. And solving it with the active line and the ghost line, but I can't seem to solve it. I've even tried recording it and looking at the spectral image in Audacity, but it's not helping me. Here is my super high-tech analysis in Audacity. So how can we solve this? There's one possible answer. Answer 1. I've done my Audacity job, smiley face. You'll know why yours didn't work. Here's the raw image of a portion of sound I've captured. Sorry, I didn't know how to merge to one channel. Here's the same image with marks and labels added. Stuff in the processed image should be very obvious. If not, the image contains more than 2 full horn sequences, as marked with white squares in the upper part. A horn sequence contains 4 sounds in the order of MLMH. Even if you're unsure where the break is by listening to the sound in-game, you should be able to identify the long gap between the high horn and the middle horn. Its length varies from 35 seconds to 50 seconds, compared to a maximum of 24 seconds for gaps between sounds in the same sequence. For the water drops, I marked 3 full sequences with squares and 5 full sequences, and the first drop of the next sequence, with vertical lines. Looking at the lines, the longer break is also easily identified in the first 2 sequences that are marked with lines, not squares. The rest is already covered in Martin Ender's spoiler tags, so there's no need for me to repeat them. You can download the part of the audio that's inside the view of the image here. File size alert. P.S. Audacity is a good software utility for this game, smiley face. I hope this answer helped, and if it did, please drop a comment and subscribe.